Bisection method. Determine the root of the function negative 6x squared plus 2 over 4x plus 5. In first step, in using bisection method, maghanap muna tayo ng possible na roots. Let's say, I'm going to take x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, my function is equal to negative 0.6 times 1 squared plus 2.4 times 1 plus 5. 5 that is equal to 1/3. It's equal to 7.3. If I take x is equal to negative 1, my function is equal to negative 0.6 times negative 1 squared plus 2.4 times negative 1 plus 5.5, and this is equal to negative 6. If I take x is equal to negative 2, my function is equal to negative 6 squared plus 2.4 times negative 2 plus 5 is equal to 1.6. I'll stop here. Kung mapapansin ninyo, positive si 2.5, negative si 1.7. Kung magpipili kayo ng possible roots, yung magiging simula ng iteration, make sure na yung mga roots, yung function nila, kapag positive yung isa negative ang magiging sagot ng function. So, since positive si 2.5 and negative si 1.7, I'm going to use these two roots. X negative 1 and x negative 2. Ito yung dalawang roots kung saan ako magsisimula. Since negative 1 is higher than negative 2, this will become our upper limit. Itong negative 2 magiging lower limit. I'll name this as B, and I'll name this as B. Okay. So, lagay natin itong dalawang to, negative 1 and negative 2 dito sa ating table. Ang aking A ay negative 2. Ang aking B ay negative 1. Taking the C, again, in bisection method, C is equal to A plus B. So, kapag kukunin natin yung C doon sa may iteration 0, that is equal to negative 2 plus negative 1 over 2. This is equal to negative 1. So, ngayon ang ating C, negative 1. And our function C, substitute 1.5 dito sa may function of X. So, ang function of C sa may iteration 0 is equal to negative 0.6 times negative 1.5 squared plus 2.4 times negative 1.5 plus 5.5. Ang lalabas na sagot natin dito ay 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Then, I just added this B minus A for me to check kung kailan ako mag-stop. Now, if the difference of B and A is less than 0.001, that's the time that's the time na mag-i-stop na tayo sa ating equations. Dinagdag ko lang itong column ito. So, if I take the difference, negative 1 minus negative 2, that is equal to 1. Since ang sign natin sa may C or sa may function ng C ay positive. Positive ito. Pag pumunta na tayo dito sa may iteration 1, pag positive ang FC, hindi magbabago si A. So, just copy A. Itong B, or ang ating upper limit, magbabago siya. Kukupihin natin yung C, that is negative 1. Then, same. So, for C, we just have to take the sum, the average of these two, that is equal to negative 1.75. Now, substitute negative 1.75 dito sa may function of x. Ang makukuha nating sagot is negative 0.5375. 537. Now, if we take the difference of B and A, ang lalabas na sagot natin dito. Sorry. Again, we need to continue the iteration kasi malayo pa tayo dito sa target natin na ang difference ay 0.0. So, dito, kung mapapansin ninyo, ang FC ko sa may iteration 1 ay negative. Kapag negative yung FC, ang magbabago ngayon ay si A. Si A magiging negative 1.75, pero si B magre-remain na negative 1.5. Ulitin ko, kung yung FC ay negative, magbabago si A, B will remain. So, ang ating A, or ang ating lower limit ay magiging negative 1.75, si B, magre-remain siya as negative 1.5. If you take now the average of B and A, that is equal to negative 1.625. Again, if you substitute this, it is my function x, negative 1.625. That is equal to positive 0.015625. Now, pag kunin ko ulit yung difference ni B and A, ang lalabas sa calculator ko ay 0.20. Then, again, itong function of C sa may iteration ko ay positive. Since positive siya, magre-remain si A as negative 1.75. Magbabago ngayon si B, magiging negative 1.665. And my C now will become negative 1.6875. And my function of C will become negative 0.25859. My difference now will become 0.1. Okay? So again, negative CFC. Ano ulit? Pag negative CFC. Okay? Since negative CFC, magbabago ay si A, magiging negative 1.6875. B will remain as negative 1.65. And our C this time will become negative 1.65. 0.625. And our function of C is negative 0.1209. Ang ating difference ay magiging 0.0621. Okay, nasundan ba yung ginawa ko? Ulitin ko lang. Pag negative si FC, ang magbabago ay si A, magre-remain si B. Okay? So if I'm going to continue my iteration, ang target ko dito dapat yung B minus A ko ay ay almost lower than or equal to 0.001. So I'm going to continue my iteration. And I'm in my iteration 6. My iteration 7. Sorry. It's negative. Now, if you try to look at this ay hindi pa ako pwedeng tumigil dito kasi malaki pa masyado si 0.007. So, itutuloy ko lang yung aking iteration. This is 1, negative 1.6891. In my iteration 8, if you try to look here, itong si 0.0039, malayo pa ba? So, hindi pa siya less than 0.001, so I need to continue my iteration. Iteration 9, 62891. So, again, you try to look here. Yung aking FC dito ay naging positive. Kaya nag-remain si A as negative 1.62891. Pero si B, nagbago siya. Naging negative 1.62695 siya. Then, I'll take the value of my C for my iteration 9. That is equal to negative 1.62793. 0.002876. The difference now is equal to 0.0019. 0.00195 is not less than 0.001. Now you have to take note, this is not less than 0.001. So I need to continue my iteration. For iteration 10, positive ulit si FC, kaya magre-remain si A as negative 1.62891. And my B will change into negative 1.62793. Ang value ng aking C ay negative 1.628 or 2. And my FC now is equal to 0.00075. Yung difference na ngayon ay 0.000977. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, itong 0.0000977, this is less than 0.0001. So with that, I can now say that the root for this function, negative 0.6x squared plus 2.4x plus 5.5, is 1.6284. So ang aking final answer for this one, my x here, or the root of x now is equal to negative 1.6284. This is now my final